the Legions of Collectors box. So DC's Legions of Collectors, it's got Arrow on the cover of it. We're going to do our unboxing. It seemed to come faster than I thought it would. I thought it was going to be longer. Getting here. So, both Marvel and DC do the pin and the badge in every box. And this month we've got the Atom as the pin. Let's see here. We can get that focused. Not very good at focusing it. And the patch this time is of Supergirl. Boop, boop. Over. And inside the box, there's always a t-shirt. I always get one big enough to fit Kevin. So here's his collection of t-shirts. And this month's one is the Arrow. And you can see all that. That's a really cool design on that one. Star City, Arrow only weapon, Oliver Queen. It's a really neat design. Cool t-shirts. Next thing in the box is comic book. And this one's The Flash. 123. And done right with the TV series picture. So really cool. Cool comic book. We've got a pop vinyl. I didn't even know they had this pop vinyl. This is The Flash, and it's Jay Garrick, and it's the DC Legions of Collectors exclusive. 341. And with this, it's even has right on the box, not just the sticker, but right on the box that it's a exclusive to them. So that's really neat. So really cool pop, go with Kevin's collection. And these, I haven't really seen these. And it's the Rock Candy Vinyl Collectible. Also a Funko product, obviously. And DC exclusive of Supergirl. Get myself centered here. Try and get the light out of the way. And just like the pop was, it's right on the box that it's an exclusive, which is kind of cool. Now, Kevin doesn't know if he likes these or not yet. We felt that way about the Dorbs too, so I don't know if it's stuff we'd be going out and buying ourselves necessarily, but it's kind of cool. I kind of like it. It's got an interesting comic-y look. And Rambo always has an opinion too. Hey, you. Give your opinion. Rambo's always got his opinion too. So that's the DC's Legion of Collectors box for this month. Really cool box. I like everything in it, actually. It's really different stuff. The t-shirt with the Arrow design. So just to recap a little bit, we have the Jay Garrick pop vinyl with the exclusive for that from The Flash. We have the Rock Candy final collection of the Supergirl. And I think that's the only one we've got of that particular style, so I'm not even familiar with them, but it's kind of cute. I kind of like it. We have the Flash comic book, based right off the TV series bearing by the picture, which is kind of neat. Get that light of the window here. We've got the really nice design of the Arrow olive green t-shirt. And we've got the badge for this month, which is the Supergirl. And pin, which is of, so straighten up here, is of the Atom. So that's the DC Legion of Collectors. Like these boxes. Next one will be the Marvel one to come, and that'll be a little while, but enjoy these. So keep watching, and let us know if you have any comments. See ya!